Violent storms left 12 more victims in Sicily at the weekend, bringing to 32 the Italy death toll since the extreme weather started battering the country more than 10 days ago. The devastating floods have triggered a bitter debate over the country's vast illegal housing problem. 9 members of a single family, including children aged 1, 3 and 15, drowned overnight after a river burst its banks in the city of Casteldaccia in Sicily, submerging their rented villa in water and mud. Accident or avoidable tragedy? Gianfranco Zanna, president of Legambiente Sicily, has his own explanation.
È del tutto inutile, fuorviante,
It is useless, wrong and profoundly deceitful to talk about poor people building illegal constructions to live in. The owners are often wealthy people, and these buildings very often big villas, holiday residences. The people who build them know that what they are doing is illegal, but they don't care, because they have political connections and they have a culture of bending the rules.
Fiori di professionisti che sanno benissimo di commettere un illecito.
While illegal construction stands at 6.7% in the north, it rises to 19% in central Italy and shoots up to 47% in southern Italy, meaning almost 1 in every 2 houses there is illegal. Among the worst affected areas in the north, Trentino and Veneto. Thousands of hectares of forest were razed to the ground, as if by a giant electric saw, said Governor of Veneto, Luca Zaia. Venice was inundated. Many of Venice's squares and walkways have been submerged in the highest floodwater the canal city has seen in a decade.